Hey guys, this is Anukiran Ghosh and you are watching Student Circle YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can install and use TOR Browser on Windows. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you need to go to the link I have given in the description below and download TOR Browser from there. And the installation process is pretty simple. It's just like any other software. So I have already downloaded TOR Browser and I will show you how to install it on Windows PC. So I will click on open. So you need to run this file. Please select a language, select English or the language of your country. In my case I am selecting English, then I will click on OK. Then I will click on install. It will extract the setup file and it will start the installation process. So the installation process is complete. Just click on finish. Click on allow. For no error in installation process, disable your antivirus system for like 15 minutes. I'll click on yes and I will disable my antivirus system, and now I will have to open the TOR browser and configure it. So I have already opened TOR browser here. Click connect to connect to TOR. Click configure to adjust network settings if you are in a country that censors TOR, such as Egypt, China, Turkey, or if you are connecting from a private network that requires a proxy. So I will not click on configure because in my country, I am living in India. In my country, the government does not censor TOR. So I will directly click on connect. And it is starting the process. Please wait while we establish a connection to the TOR network. This may take several minutes. For assistance, visit support.tor.org. It is loading the relay server and some information from the server to establish the connection. So I need to wait for some time depending upon the circuit. Okay, we have successfully connected to TOR browser to TOR network, and as you can see, so TOR browser is using the search engine DuckDuckGo. Now new to TOR, let's get started. So this is a thing, so click on here. So now let's search for google.com. So as you know, this TOR browser is a special kind of browser. This browser is specially used to maintain privacy on the internet, maintain anonymity on the internet. So you can see how TOR works from the link given in the description below, from their official documentation in their official website. I will leave a link in the description below. You can just go ahead and check it out from there. So as you can see about TOR, so it is mainly used to maintain privacy on the internet, to maintain anonymity on the internet. So when you open TOR, it will open like this, and you don't need to maximize it or make it in full screen mode, because if you do so, it will tamper your privacy. So don't do it. Don't just do anything, just search properly. Don't download any file, don't visit sites which does not have HTTPS before it, and there are many tips you need to follow to maintain anonymity on internet using TOR browser. You need to read the documentation files before using TOR. So there are certain tips which you need to follow to maintain privacy. Okay, let's search for google.com. Click on enter. So I'm searching for google.com and here it is. Let me open it quickly. As you can see, I have opened google.com and you can see the security level here. Security level are standard. All TOR level browser and website features are enabled. You can review the security features here. And as you can see, I am from India but I am using United Kingdom server. This is because of the TOR network. And you can click here to go to a new server, a new identity. New TOR circuit for this site. There are many TOR. Actually, TOR provides you a tunnel, a security, an IP tunnel. It does not work like VPN. It works in a different way. I will save that for another video. So in this video, my main motive was to show you how to install TOR, how to download and install TOR and configure TOR for Windows and how to use it. So if you want to know how TOR works, I will make a separate video for that. So please like and share this video and subscribe my channel for regular updates related to technology, cybersecurity and ethical hacking. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next one.